The term chef is derived from the French word
chef de cuisine.
Gordon Ramsay is the most popular chef in the world. The chef's uniform, called chef's whites, traditionally consists of a double-breasted white jacket, pants, and a toque. Chefs work in a high-pressure environment, often facing tight deadlines and demanding customers. Many successful chefs start their careers as dishwashers. The culinary industry offers opportunities for specialization in various cuisines, such as French, Italian, Asian, or vegan. Becoming a chef requires a passion for cooking, not just a love for eating, as the job demands long hours on your feet. The farm-to-table movement emphasizes the use of locally sourced, sustainable ingredients, promoting a closer connection between farmers and chefs. The term farm-to-table originated in the 1970s, coined by American chef Alice Waters. Chefs are skilled in managing food costs, inventory, and creating menus. Culinary competitions, such as the Bocuse d'Or or Top Chef, showcase the talent and skills of chefs on a global stage. The Bocuse d'Or is a World Chefs' Championship that takes place every 2 years. And Top Chef is a popular reality competition television series that showcases professional chefs competing in culinary challenges and is known for its progressive elimination format. Knife skills are essential for chefs, as precise cutting techniques contribute to both the presentation and cooking process. The Michelin Guide, an influential restaurant rating system, awards Michelin stars to recognize culinary excellence and exceptional dining experiences. According to the Michelin Guide, 1 star signifies a very good restaurant, 2 stars are excellent cooking that is worth a detour, and 3 stars mean exceptional cuisine that is worth a special journey. In the world are 2,290 restaurants with 1 Michelin star, 414 restaurants with 2 Michelin stars, 113 restaurants with 3 Michelin stars. The country with most Michelin-starred restaurants is France, with 600 in total. And record with 31 Michelin stars holds by Joel Robuchon. Chefs often work long and irregular hours to meet the demands of the restaurant industry. The chef's palate develops over time through tasting and exposure to various flavors, textures, and ingredients. 86. This popular chef's slang word is used when an item on the menu is no longer available or has run out. Chefs often collaborate with sommeliers to create harmonious food and wine pairings that enhance the dining experience. Sommelier is a waiter in a restaurant who has charge of wines and their service. Food presentation is a crucial aspect of a chef's work, as visually appealing dishes enhance the overall dining experience. The chef's role extends beyond the kitchen, as they interact with customers, take feedback, and ensure an exceptional dining event. The rise of social media and food blogging has brought increased attention to chefs, driving culinary trends and innovation. Tasty is the most popular food YouTube channel with 21.1 million subscribers. Gordon Ramsay has his own TikTok, where he shoots reactions to various food videos. Also, he has YouTube channel with 20.1 million subscribers. MasterChef is a globally renowned culinary competition that originated in the UK in 1990. Contestants compete in challenges to showcase their culinary skills. Judges, including acclaimed chefs, evaluate dishes based on taste, presentation, and technique. Many chefs find inspiration for their dishes through travel, cultural exploration, and exposure to different culinary traditions. The culinary field offers opportunities for chefs to work in diverse settings, including restaurants, hotels, cruise ships, and catering companies. Chefs utilize a wide range of herbs, spices, and seasonings to enhance flavors and create unique taste profiles. Chefs often collaborate with local artisans, such as cheesemakers, to showcase the best of regional ingredients. The culinary profession requires excellent organizational skills, as chefs must coordinate multiple tasks and manage a team of kitchen staff. Kitchen brigade system developed by French chef Escoffier aims to maximize efficiency and ensure clear roles and responsibilities for every staff member in the kitchen. The 5 main roles in the kitchen brigade are the executive chef, chef de cuisine, sous-chef de cuisine, chef de partie, and commis chef, each with specific responsibilities and levels of authority. Chefs often draw inspiration from seasonal ingredients, adapting menus to reflect the flavors and availability of each season. The term
Mise en place
refers to the process of prepping ingredients and organizing tools before beginning the cooking process. Chefs constantly strive for innovation, experimenting with new ingredients, techniques, and flavor combinations. In social networks, the topic of culinary is very popular. The creators of popular food content Lionfield have become popular for their short reactions to food videos that offend Italian cuisine.
Le Cordon Bleu.
Is considered one of the most illustrious institutions to get a culinary education. Many successful chefs have written cookbooks. The average salary for chefs and head cooks is around $58,740 per year or $28.24 per hour. Being a billionaire's private chef offers a six-figure salary, luxurious accommodations, and an all-inclusive vacation every year. Chefs often create signature dishes that reflect their culinary style. The concept of root-to-stem cooking promotes reducing food waste by utilizing all parts of an ingredient. The chef's table experience offers diners a unique opportunity to have a personalized meal prepared and served by the chef. Chefs often participate in charity events and fundraising initiatives, using their culinary skills to support local communities and charitable causes.